Name is Michael versus Zachary, and here's a knives. Huh. So it's recording, and if we just a knife and a cap and a tape. We got some tape. I really don't see this soul tape anymore. I have this when I was a kid. This tape, this special tape. I will put. Sorry, excuse me. I farted accidentally. Sorry, I'm at that. That's accidentally farted. No YouTube vloggers do this. It is a tragic way. I still have to look at the freaking camera though. Oh, try the other way. That's a waste. It's a waste of tape. Oh, I don't have to be careful with this knife. This knife is gold. I'm rich. I'm a lot of money. This, those three, like that. I thought you had online. It looks like a fidget spinner. I made my own fidget spinner out of knives. So, homemade. Do not ever try this at home. Kids, don't ever try this at home. A fidget spinner with knives. Knife. Don't ever try this at home. I would tell you, I'll warn you, don't ever try knives at home. But I'm 13 years old. Do not meant to be like underage kids that below my age. And like kids that below like 13. Not below like 9, 8, 6, 7 years. You can't do this. Always supervise the parents with this. Only by myself filming, but I got a fidget spinner. Yeah, I don't want to destroy my phone that way. So. Oh, Lord, yeah, thank you. I'll show you up. That is a fidget spinner. Fidget spinner out of knives. Thank you.